Hi, this is Julie. I'm going to be teaching you how to make the Filipino pickled papaya, also known as Atchara. Take one large papaya, green papaya, cut them in quarters, get a cheese grater, and go ahead and grate them on the coarse side of the grater. Finish grating the green papaya, take 1/3 cup of salt, and then sprinkle it evenly on the grated papaya. Then take your fork and mix it up. Now you want the salt to sit on the grated papaya for at least half an hour until the papaya softens. In addition to the grated green papaya, what you want is about 1/4 pound of green beans sliced in medium thin slivers, red or yellow bell pepper, or the sweet peppers if you like. If you'd like it spicy, you can also slice some jalapenos. Slivered carrots, a medium-sized carrot, and 3 pieces of shallots sliced coarsely. After about 30 minutes of soaking in the salt, you can see that the green papaya has softened and some liquid has formed. The next step is to take this and rinse it with cold water about 2 or 3 times and squeeze out all the liquid. In a large Dutch oven, you want to put 1½ cups apple cider vinegar, mix with 1 cup of brown sugar, and bring it to a boil. As the mixture comes to a boil, add the shallots, stir for about 1 minute, add the green beans, let it simmer for about 2 minutes to allow the green beans to cook. Add the carrots and the bell pepper and the jalapeno, and let that simmer for about 1 minute. As it simmers, taste the vinegar mixture. If it's a little too tart, you can add another tablespoon of brown sugar. Okay. Once the vegetables are cooked, take the squeezed out green papaya, separate them, and drop them into the mixture. Make sure you've squeezed out as much of the water from the green papaya as you can. Incorporating that vinegar sugar mixture into the grated papaya by mixing it well. As soon as that happens, you can go ahead and turn off the heat. Now, once you've mixed it all, just leave it on the stovetop and allow it to cool. To prepare the jar for pickling, immerse the jar in boiling hot water and allow it to boil for 15 minutes. Turn off the fire and let it sit for 1 or 2 minutes. When you are ready to fill the jar, remove the jar from the hot water, invert it on a towel, allow it to dry, and then fill the jar with the pickles. And here we have Atchara, also known as pickled papaya. Enjoy eating!